Any feedback on my speech?
Yeah, a couple notes. You say the phrase fat a lot. I was wondering if maybe we could tone that down, if there's a gentler way to say that.
Overweight women?
You know, a lot of people still aren't gonna like that.
Large ladies?
Yeah, nah.
Women who like to eat?
Maybe without the last part?
So just women?
Let's just go with people.
Okay, anything else?
Yeah, basketball Americans, what does that mean?
Like black people?
Yeah, can't say that. Let's just say people.
Okay, is that it?
Melanin challenge individuals, is that white people?
Yes.
Let's not say that either. Let's put people. People. Okay, alright, I think that's it. Let's hear it.
The problem with people is that people use people to tell people...
Why'd you stop? That was great.
I'm kind of confused.
But are you offended? No.